What brushing really does. Brushing and flossing are essential, no doubt about that, but they only remove soft plaque. Plaque is not just food stuck on teeth, it is a living bacterial biofilm. Bacteria organize themselves, protect each other, and help release enzymes that protect your teeth. So even with perfect brushing, plaque starts forming again and within hours. This is normal. It happens to everyone. Now, plaque versus tartar. Where does home care stop? Now, here is where brushing hits its limit. When plaque stays on teeth long enough, minerals from saliva harden it. The hardened plaque is called tartar or calculus, and once tartar forms, your toothbrush is officially useless. No brushing technique, no floss, no mouthwash can remove it. Tartar sticks to teeth like cement. It hides behind lower front teeth, between molars and between gums, and bacteria love living on tartar. Now, why gum damage is silent? Here is the dangerous part. Even gum disease does not hurt, no pain, no swelling. But bacteria under the gums release toxins and enzymes, causing attachment loss and bone. People feel fine while the damage is happening quietly, and this damage is permanent once bone is lost. Now, why some people get more damage than others? This is something most people do not know. Not everyone's gums react the same way to plaque. Some people have thick gums, some have thin gums. Now, thin gums recede much faster and damage earlier. Some people have a stronger inflammatory reaction. So the same amount of plaque can cause mild irritation in one and more in the other. Other causes are genetics, smoking, stress, hormones, all play a role in this. This is why you cannot compare one to the other. What a professional cleaning actually does. A professional cleaning is not just polishing teeth. It removes the hardened tartar above and below the gums. It disrupts the bacterial biofilm, so bacteria cannot reorganize easily. It smoothens root surfaces, so plaque sticks less. It allows your dentist to check gum health, pocket depth, bleeding, bone support, and early problems. This is prevention, not cosmetic care. Now, how often should you get your teeth cleaned? For healthy gums, every 6 months is usually perfect. But here is a key fact. Harmful bacteria recolonize in about 90 days. That is why people with gum disease, smokers, diabetics, or heavy tartar buildup often need cleaning every 3 to 4 months. Not because they are dirty, because their mouth needs more maintenance. Can cleaning remove yellow teeth? Now, the most common question, will a cleaning make my teeth white? And the answer is yes and no. If the yellow is from coffee, tea, smoking, or plaque, cleaning can make your teeth noticeably brighter. But if the yellow is from inside the tooth, cleaning will not change that. Teeth naturally have a yellow color underneath called dentine. As the enamel thins with age, the yellow shows more. This is when whitening is needed. So remember this. Brushing removes soft plaque, professional cleaning removes hardened tartar. Cleaning removes surface stains, whitening changes internal color. You brush for your teeth, you get cleanings for your gums and bone, and those decide whether you keep your teeth for life.